Hi guys, welcome to this interesting and brand new series of .NET Core with WordPress. So we are going to use .NET Core web applications in WordPress to build our project. So for this, I am going to take reference of ASP.NET Core with WordPress. I will give this link on the video description. You can follow. And I'm going to use NuGet package PeachPad WordPress.ASP.NET Core. So this is the first pilot session. I'm going to create the first project, and our coming session I'm going to convert my own website, which is vishwaranjan.info. I made this one using ASPX, our classic ASP.NET, but now I'm going to convert this complete application, this complete website, blog, everything in WordPress. So this series is going to be a project series also. So if you are interested to learn a new technology, completely new integration of WordPress and .NET Core, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. So for here, I go to our Visual Studio, create a new project. You can select for the web, or you can directly select ASP.NET Core. So I'm here giving for web, ASP.NET Core web application, click on next. So I'm going to create my first project, so give this one first project or give your name, click on create. It will ask for the empty project or web API project or web application. I'm going with the empty project. Click on create. Guys, to create a meaningful video, it requires tons of effort. If you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to leave your comment in the comment box. This really encourages me a lot. Okay, our application is created, so you can see. Okay, so let's add the NuGet package, manage NuGet package, PeachPad. So here, let's add this PeachPad, this NuGet package. So PeachPad WordPress.ASP.NET Core, click on install. It will take few seconds or few minutes depend upon your system configuration and your internet speed. Click on accept. Let the package installed. So you can see all our package has been installed, and in the solution explorer you can see a WordPress folder has been added and everything WP admin, WP content. So our NuGet package has been installed. Save the application, close the window and go to the startup.cs class. So here before app.routing I am giving app.wordpress routing. Use WordPress. Next I'm going to add the services here. So I'm giving like services.add WordPress. So here I'm giving option.db name and option.db password. So let's go to our WordPress and create one DB name. So let's say I'm giving first DB, create this one. So my fast DB has been created and my password. Now everything is set up. Let's run the application. While it's got loading complete in web browser, meanwhile you can subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any kind of update in future. So it will ask for the languages and it will ask for the WordPress installation. Wait for a few seconds, let the application run properly. So I need United States, English, click on continue. Okay, my first website, give the site name, give the username and password. So I'm giving a simple password, confirm with password and the email ID. Install WordPress. It will take few seconds to install the WordPress in your application. While it got installed, go to the ASP.NET Core with WordPress website, and here you can see what are the possibilities of ASP.NET Core with WordPress. So running WordPress ASP.NET Core without PHP or any source file on the server, adding the WordPress as frontend to the existing ASP Core application, combining the WordPress and MVC or Razor View, or we can extend the WordPress using the C# plugin. So these are the advantages, or these are the possibilities of WordPress with ASP.NET Core. Okay, our application got installed. Click on login. So yeah, so yes, our WordPress admin got login and everything we found here. So let's go to the our base website and check how it is showing. This is my first website that I give the title here, and now it is coming. So from our coming session of WordPress with .NET Core, I'm going to modify my own website, which is biswaranjan.info, and I'm going to build this website in WordPress Core, WordPress and .NET Core. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you very much.